Combating desertification in Mongolia's Gobi, story of resilience and restoration. Mongolia's vast southern Gobi region stands at the front line of the global battle against desertification, a crisis intensified by climate change and unsustainable land practices. With nearly 77% of Mongolia's land facing degradation, the very livelihoods of nomadic herders who rely on these lands for survival are under threat. The Ensuring Sustainability and Resilience of Green Landscapes in Mongolia project, known as Ensure, funded by the Global Environmental Facility and implemented in collaboration with the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change, UNDP, and local partners, is working to restore ecosystems, protect biodiversity, and support sustainable livelihoods in these vulnerable regions. A key success has been the implementation of sustainable pasture management plans with 120 herder groups. By aligning livestock numbers with the land's capacity, herders reduced overgrazing and improved rangeland health. Notably, a 23% reduction in livestock numbers was achieved among participating groups in 2023, compared to just 13% among non-participants. Communities have also pooled funds for fodder and collaborated on measures like digging wells and protecting water sources, ensuring resilience against climate shocks. To safeguard biodiversity, Ensure has expanded protected areas by 850,000 hectares in the region, creating corridors for endangered species such as the snow leopard, Argali sheep, and black-tailed gazelle. The project also focuses on community-driven restoration efforts, particularly the regeneration of Saxall forests, the only tree species in the Gobi Desert. Over 400 hectares of Saxall forests are being restored, combating soil erosion and enhancing carbon storage. Beyond conservation, Ensure is helping diversify herders' incomes through initiatives like lamb fattening and improved wool production, which help reduce grazing pressures. Training and international internships in professional sheep shearing have boosted productivity and income, empowering communities to preserve both their livelihoods and traditional way of life. As COP16 draws near, the Ensure project serves as a powerful example of Mongolia's resilience and the transformative power of community-driven solutions. It highlights the urgent need for global investment in land restoration, not only for environmental recovery, but also for the protection of human livelihoods and cultural heritage. Together, we can combat desertification and build a sustainable future for all.